So I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Google Calendar events with emojis. Adding a touch of fun and personality to your calendar can make those endless meetings and appointments a bit more exciting and help you quickly identify what's coming up at a glance. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily embed emojis into your calendar events. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to a handy website called getemoji.com. This site is a treasure trove of emojis all laid out for you in one convenient location. You might wonder why we're using the site. Well, not only is it comprehensive, but it also offers a wide variety of emojis across different categories, including smileys, activities, objects, and more, making it easy to find just the right expression for any event you have planned. Once you're on the site, take your time to browse through the different categories of emojis. With such a vast selection, you can definitely find something that perfectly matches the mood or theme of your event. Are you scheduling a fun brunch with friends? Maybe a winking face emoji could capture the vibe. Or is it a client meeting? Perhaps a handshake emoji conveys professionalism. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a mental visual cue that helps you instantly recall what each entry stands for. After you've found an emoji that you like, it's time to copy it. Highlight the emoji by clicking and dragging your cursor over it, then right-click and choose Copy from the context menu, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C on a PC, or Command-C if you're on a Mac. This will store the selected emoji in your clipboard, ready for pasting. Now it's time to switch over to Google Calendar. Head over to your open browser tab or start a new one and navigate to calendar.google.com. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you to your personal calendar dashboard displaying all your scheduled events. Find the event you want to personalize with an emoji. You can either click on an existing event to edit it or click the plus icon to create a new one. In the event details area, place your cursor in the event title box where the emoji will be inserted. Right-click inside the title box and select Paste from the context menu, or use Ctrl-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac to paste the emoji directly. And there you have it. Your chosen emoji is now part of your event title, adding a personal touch that is sure to brighten your calendar and keep everything organized in a visually appealing way. Remember, this is your calendar. Make it as vibrant and expressive as you are.